Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Paint X tutorial how to use eraser bucket. So for example, I will create simple objects with these brush tools. I will change color into black color. And the next we create again with another color like blue in here. Now, if you want to erase this blue color with the bucket tools, you can click the bucket and then you can choose this icon, the erase. After it, you can select the color, like I will click in here, Alt, to select this blue color, and you can release to delete the selected color. I will click again in this red color to delete. You also can click outside to delete all color, like this. So if you create again like this brush objects with these bucket tools, and we can fill with the red color. Now if you want to erase the red color, you can choose this eraser tool, and then you can select the color to erase. Click again to erase all. Okay, that's it for a basic Ibis Paint X tutorial, how to erase bucket. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.